Happy Sunday to everyone. So I quickly want to update you guys on BTC Move. Those guys that have been following me on my Telegram channel, I've been updating them on BTC Move, and I think so far so good. They should be okay with what I'm doing. So what I want to do now, I quickly want to make a very short video. So what I'm going to do, I will start from the weekly time frame. So like I said, I'm going to use this. So like I said, looks like we found a kind of support around here. So we need to be very careful around here. So what I normally do is this: no matter the days I'm trading, whenever we are close to the end of the week or we want to start a new week, what I normally do is to pause the whole trade and wait for the weekly candlestick to close. So now we have this here, we have the resistance, and the breakout, and went back to that level, bounced there, and we're close to that place again. So what I want us to pay attention to is the reversal round here. So having said that, let me see if we have any move in the Ichimoku. Okay, everything is still flat, but if you pay close attention, now look at these guys, pay close attention to this, you will see that this red EMA is called the Kijun, is a kind of like trying to turn up. And if you see this, look at this again, look at this, you can see it's trying to turn up. So whenever you get this and this trying to turn up, it is called the bullish Kijun and Tenkin angulation to the upside. So, and again, I also talked about, maybe I did not drop this on my signal group, but I talked about go to the daily time frame. I talked about this. So I talked about the Bollinger Bands. So one thing I've observed about Bollinger Bands is that whenever price is at the upper or the lower band, so what we call this is upper band, why this is the lower band. When price has moved to the upper band and it's out of it, there is high probability it's gonna pull back down. So just like what you can see here, out of it, pull back out of it, pull back up, out of it, come back a little bit, got to that level and came back to this level. Now you can see it's out of it and it's back to this place. Now take note of what is happening. What is happening here? This is a daily time frame. So maybe we can continue to see some consolidation around here, while both bands will continue to squeeze tight. When it squeezes tight, then we're gonna get the breakout to the upside or to the downside, depending on where the price is. If the price is above this middle line, then there is high probability we're gonna move back up. But this is not what I want to focus on. What I want to focus on is the move that has been building up for some time since December 20th last year. So watch this move very well. I'm going to explain this so that everyone will know how to use it. I've continued talking about the 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish move to the upside. So how is that being calculated? It is very important you guys understand this very well. So this is how it's been calculated. So we have, I'm going to start from here. The first move is around here. Let me use white. The second move is around here. And the third move is around here. Now, only when price closes above 2, that's when we're going to get this target. So how do we get that target? We use the fib extension from here up and we'll drag it down to this place. So our first target is always 0.786 fib up to 1.618. Now, you can see the same thing happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're getting the same move around here, and that move will start from here. 1, 2, and we'll have 3. So let's use the fib again. Fib extension from here. 1, 2, and down. So our first target is 0.786. Now pay attention to this. It is very important you guys understand this. Just because I'm saying our target is 0.786 up to 1.618 doesn't mean that price would not dump. If price doesn't come back to this level and close above it, then we're going to get price pushing back down. So this price must move above this two. This is 1, 2, 3, and it must move above this resistance, get to this resistance, close above it, and we're going to get these prices to the upside. This is just what I want to share with you guys. And I think I'm seeing something on the lower time frame, which again is very important. Very, very important. I don't know what's going to happen here, but we need to be very careful around here. So like I said, look at this again. Look at this very well. We have very strong support around here. Look at this strong support around here. So if what I'm seeing would play out, we might likely get an inverted head and shoulder, or let me see, I can remove this and use the close of, okay, I'm gonna use this then. So we're gonna get an inverted head and shoulder. This is the left, this is the head. I will likely get a dump to this side and it will form. So let's keep an eye on these levels I've shown you guys. And one of the most important things is try as much as possible to understand how to get your levels. Now, most times you're going to see a lot of up and down move in the market, and you would not know where you place your support and resistance. Your support and resistance will give you any chart pattern in the market. Without your support and resistance, you're not going to get any chart pattern. So support and resistance form different chart patterns. Just like this place. When I spotted this inverted head and shoulder, you can see this left shoulder, right shoulder, and the support around here. It got to that level and continued moving back up. And you can see the head. The head also came back to this previous support. Now, again, apart from that, you can see this again here. Came back to that support again and broke the support to the downside. And it found that level of support very strong around here. And one of the most important thing is this: when this has broken this support to the downside, to break it back to the upside, it will not like break it easily to the upside. To stay there, try to consolidate in and out, and once it breaks it to the upside, it has found a new level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop another video, you will get a notification. If you want to join my Signal group, you can Signal channel rather, you can join via the description below. You can also chat me up on Twitter and Telegram if you have any question. So guys, happy trading and enjoy the rest of your day.